In this video, I'm going to show you how to put in late penalties in MyLabs Plus. First, log in and click on your specific class. Then, go to Course Tools, Assignment Manager. Once it loads, go to the homework assignment that you want to adjust. I'm going to adjust the first homework assignment, section 1.7 homework. Hit Select and Settings for Class. Once you do that, you're going to need to enter the first due date. This is the due date of within a week after you teach the content, where the students will earn full credit up until this date. So if I teach this on Monday the 14th, I'm going to make it set to be due on Sunday the 20th, right before midnight in my class. Then we need to hit this button under Late Submissions. I need to allow students to work and change the score after the due date. I'm going to also require a final submission. So this is going to be the date of the second attempt test in class. So I don't know that date off the top of my head. I'm just going to pick February 11th. And then I'll also want to adjust this time as necessary. So if I need to do that and say I want it to be due at 4 p.m., that's what I would click on. Now we want a late penalty to go in effect from this first due date, the 1/20, until our final submission. To do that, I hit Deduct Late Submission Penalty. It is from the final score, and then I enter the penalty amount. Please refer to your course lead information for that amount. Then I also need to make sure I check Apply Only to questions scored after the due date. That way students will still earn full credit on any homework they have completed already. The penalty will only be applied to questions that they try after that first due date of 1/20. Now I need to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Save and Assign. Please be sure to click this one. If you only hit Save, students will not see the homework assignment. Once you do that, if you look at your manager, you'll see our first due date of 1/20 still shows up. If you try to go into this class as a student, we hit View All Assignments, we click on our homework, that first due date is still there. And you can see you can go in and work on the homework just as normal. They do let the students know about the late submission penalty right at the beginning.